Welcome to part 99 of Learn Languages. One more lesson after this, but first, 50 essential phrases. These are the phrases that come up every single day. Let's go through them quickly. Greetings and small talk. How are you doing? Long time no see. What's up? Nice to meet you. Good to see you again. Agreement and understanding. That makes sense. Exactly. I know what you mean. You're absolutely right. I couldn't agree more. Fair enough. Asking for help or clarification. Could you say that again? I beg your pardon? What do you mean by that? Could you explain? Can you give me a hand? Expressing opinions. To be honest, in my opinion, as far as I'm concerned, I feel like it seems to me that responding to compliments. Thank you so much. That's really kind of you. I appreciate it. Showing concern or empathy. Are you okay? I'm sorry to hear that. That must be tough. If there's anything I can do, let me know. Transitioning in conversation. Anyway, by the way, speaking of which, come to think of it, wrapping up. I've got to go. It was great talking to you. Let's catch up again soon. Take care. Polite phrases everyone needs. Never mind. No problem. Don't worry about it. After you, you're welcome. Cheers. These 50 phrases are your daily toolkit. Use them and you'll sound confident in any conversation. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.